Alrighty, so this is the, I think, third or fourth coil fold. You can definitely see that the dough is growing, it's getting more air. You can see the bubbles forming on it, so we most certainly want to be more gentle with it now. Don't want to knock any of that air out of there. That's what we've been working so hard to kind of grow. So we're going to be doing this one. Maybe we'll do one more in about a half an hour, and then we will prep everything for putting the dough into the bannetons. So we'll do a final shaping. So let's do one more coil fold. Going to be more gentle now than we were before. There we go. Just lift it up. Get it underneath there. You can feel that the dough is getting, it's very billowy, very pillowy. Get it in there. Alrighty. You can just see how much more volume it has just from having, starting to rise now. So we'll probably do one more in about a half an hour, and then they're going to go into the banneton to finish proofing. Let's do this one more time. Again, being very gentle. Don't want to knock any of that air out of there. Alrighty. This looks really good. You can see all the air bubbles forming on the top layer. Alright. Let's get this. Looking good. Okay. Let's leave that one be. Cover it up. Let them sit for a little while longer.